Hi everyone, I'm back with a quick little reveal of Scale 75's 1/12 scale bust of Jessica Thunder. So this is the one I put out a few weeks ago, and I finally finished it up. So I wanted to let you guys see it and let me know what you think. There she is. Make sure it focuses a little bit. There we go. I painted this with acrylics and oils. And I'll put up some stills at the end of the video so you guys can see the stuff up close. But this was a fun project. I definitely stretched some of my own practices, I guess, painting techniques. I used a lot of washes with this to get certain effects. Like here you can see like a little bit of stain in here and things like that. So I really tried to just kind of push things a little bit for myself. A little bit of the metal arm. I think I could have gotten a little bit more detail in there, but you know, it is what it is. I'm happy with it. I think the goggles turned out really well, especially with the clear glass. I think that face could have used a little bit more work, but I got to the point where I was like, nope, I'm going to stop before I really screw it up. But I think that turned out okay. Yeah. I think this is probably some of the best leather I've done with the holster and, you know, this whole contraption back here. Yeah, this was, like I said, this was a fun little project. Let me know what you guys think. I hope everybody is doing well. The next piece that I'm going to be working on is from, this is called the Witch's Brew, and I can't remember the name of the company I got it from. Ah, that's it. It was Red Piano Miniatures, and it was a Kickstarter. Sorry, I had to go and look at the box. So we're going to do this witch. I'm trying to decide how I want to do this one. I was thinking about trying to do it maybe as like an old-time black and white photo, you know, the kind of sepia tone. But I'm not quite sure yet if that's what I'm going to do. I'm kind of kicking around the idea. We'll see what happens with that. But this will be the new project. When I get it started, I'll let you guys see that. But yeah, there's Jessica. I hope everybody is doing well. Things here have been moving along kind of normally, or as normal as it can get. Had some really cold weather. Got a lot of snow last week, or towards the end of last week. Got about 9 inches of snow here at our house, which is not normal for the Portland, Oregon area. And when it snows here, it wreaks havoc on everything. But it was kind of nice having that much snow. Kind of reminded me of growing up back home in New Jersey, and just being able to go outside and enjoy the cool weather, cold weather, and you know, the white snow, and yeah. All right, everybody. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, great week. I hope the first few months of this 2023 have been pretty good. Can't believe it's March already. And I'd like to thank, I've picked up some new subscribers. I hope you like the content here. I will continue to put stuff up. May not be every week, but I will continue with getting projects done and put up so you guys can see them. Oh, before I forget, just forgot, I got this in the mail from Justin over at J Hart Model Works. Thank you for the great words on the back, Justin. I really do appreciate that. Justin, if you don't follow him, he is a fantastic model builder. His scratch building and the extras that he puts into the detail work on his models blows me away every time. He does fantastic work. So go check out Justin over J Hart Model Works. Fantastic builder. Go check him out. All right, that's all I got. I hope everybody is doing well. I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.